Hello guys, we Fiona and today we're gonna play Terror Misery but with
Mavi?
yes, but he's a girl cause the Bacon 66 will hack old boys. But Mavi will disguise?
Amo dira guys, patay na mo dira guys.
Mavi just stop. I must speak English.
Yeah. Yeah.
He disguised a girl cause
Twin.
Bacon 66 will
Bad boy Bacon will hack all boys.
yes. But actually I'm safe. I'm safe.
Ikaw di ka safe ni Jenna.
Oh.
Friends biya mi ni Jenna. I'm gonna tell Jenna to hack you.
No! Why I saw your friend list? There's no Jenna.
Dili uy, na-meet ni green light.
Just tell you to hack girls.
I'm gonna tell.
How dare you, mom? Ah, I fell again. Really, bro?
The winner's room.
Winner's rule. The winner, guys, a level 4 cause I win 4 times. I win 4 times to Terror Misery.
Stop lying.
Why I'm level 4, da?
Kay XP, manggod. Nano ko XP all when you go up.
Oh. Alright, please. Yeah. Well, what's this? I don't care. Mavi, wait for me. Oh god, it's one. Mavi, are you up for the video? I saw the notification of YouTube.
Oh, doesn't guys.
Wait, what? Okay. No! Oh no, I failed. Oh, I fell again. I don't know what this Mavi, where are you? I'm not seeing you, the terrorist. You're in the. I know you're in the winner's room.
Ilang mo good move sa wala.
What? Nah, you're lying. I saw your screen.
Look at my screen.
It's super funny. I wish I don't have a low gravity. I failed. In terror in 3 rounds. I'm level 4. Not gonna win because Terror Misery.
No.
Remember, gonna win ba ako?
Wala man. Hapit manggod to.
Ano na, touch mo na akong white thing. Remember ko.
Jump manggod to.
Oh. I can't win this. And you, Mavi, you annoying me? Cause
I did it with a cell phone.
Yes, and I almost win.
You sucker. Sucker, 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 sucker.
Now you're sucker too, cause you're always failed terrible job. I like the hackers who have gone on Roblox. I don't like hackers. Hackers, if you're watching this video,
I will kill you.
yes, don't hack every people's accounts.
Or I will kill you.
Yes. Yeah, guys, the Fiona the Fin account was
Viewers hear this.
die. Okay. Yeah.
Now, now.
Wait,
now,
what?
now.
Another immunity. Wait a second.
No immunity this time.
Oh God. Meh.
Now.
Oh, what is the blue is easy. Yeah.
Oh, I'm playing Flappy Bird.
Huh?
Fiona, look.
What? Okay.
No! Fiona, look at my screen.
Wait, what? Where do you come from? Ah! What's the stupid mob?
No, that's winner's room.
Wait, what? How?
Yeah, yeah. Ah!
What? Can you help me?
What? No.
Why? I thought
Oh.
you're the best cousin.
No, 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 no.
You say you're the best cousin. You're not.
You're not. I'm staying in the
Ah!
I'm staying in the winner's room forever.
Aww, how do I win this? Mommy, why you are the speed runner?
Yeah.
You're the speed. And the first one, blue, was easy. And the second one was hard. Or medium. Okay.
Oh!
I'm new at this game. I'm
No.
new at this game. I don't care. I'm using with my recorder. But they
What?
have microphone.
Why are you using X? X Tentation!
Oh!
Fiona.
I can't beat it. No.
Wait, namatay ka?
Ah! Will you not help me? I don't want to help you again. Ever again.
You did nothing. You did nothing for me, dummy.
I don't care. Terror misery was 100.
Ignore the sound from the back, guys. I'm just watching a TV show.
Yes, just ignore. Just focus on the screen. Focus on the tower. Yeah.
Oh God,
Yeah.
Fiona. Wait, I need to change my display name.
Into what? Fiona? Or I don't know. Cassie? Not again! I can't beat this. I can't beat this stage. The second stage. And I can beat the blue stage. And it's super easy. Or maybe not. I'm just new at this game. And how about you, Mavi? Wait, what? Where are you? You left?
Oh!
Okay, just change your Disney name.
I'm changing my password.
Huh? Why?
Bye, Fiona. Don't ako gawas.
Okay, record by. Mavi, I'm leaving.
Wait, let me say something to the viewers. Hey, viewers, I need to tell you something.
Stop, Mav!
He post.
Okay, guys, just for watching. This is just 8 minutes, so.